Ferrari has revealed the all-new Ferrari 849 Testarossa, a new plug-in hybrid flagship set to succeed the SF90 Stradale and Spider. At the heart of the new Testarossa is an updated version of the 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, now delivering an astounding 830 horsepower thanks to upgraded cylinder heads, a larger turbocharger with F80-derived low-friction bearings, titanium internals, and high-performance exhaust and intake systems. This internal combustion powerhouse joins forces with a trio of electric motors, producing another 220 horsepower. Two of these motors drive the front axle with torque vectoring and all-wheel drive dynamics, while a rear-mounted unit, honed through Formula One expertise, adds even more thrust and responsiveness. In total, the hybrid system delivers 1,050 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 2.2 seconds, and propelling the car beyond 330 kilometers per hour. An 8-speed dual-clutch F1 gearbox is the only choice available. Interestingly, those who want to run the 849 Testarossa in EV mode will only get power to the front wheels and be limited to 80 miles per hour. The 7.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack inside the car is good for up to 15 miles of range. Buyers can choose between a coupe, an open-top Spider, and an exclusive Assetto Fiorano variant that cuts approximately 30 kilograms through the use of titanium and carbon fiber components, track-optimized aero, Multimatic dampers, and the Michelin Cup R2 tires for supreme circuit performance. Ferrari hasn't disclosed pricing yet, but expect it to be above $500,000. Deliveries of the Coupe and Spider are scheduled to begin next year. Guys, please enjoy the full video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.